So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add two 3-digit numbers using base 10 blocks and also base 10 pictures. So after I show you this, how to do this problem, there will be a problem for you to practice using this strategy. So we do ask that the problem that follows this, you do practice this strategy. All right, you'll be able to make a selection of the strategy that makes most sense to you later in the lesson. Okay, so our problem is 427 plus 134. So I'm going to start by adding using base 10 blocks. So these are my hundreds. So I know I have 400. I'm going to start with my number 427. So I'm actually going to put them here. 1, 2, 3, 400. There we go. I need 2 tens. It's going to be a bit tricky to do this on camera. I'm going to try my best. So I'm going to hold these. 2 tens. Whoa. And then 7 ones. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now that I represented one number using base 10 blocks, as you can see here, I'm going to add 134 to it. So I'm going to make my next number next to it, and then I'm going to count all of these materials together. So here's my 100. I need 3 tens to represent the 30. And I need 4 ones because I have 4 ones in 134. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Okay, now comes the part where we add these two numbers together. So I'm going to start by adding my ones. You can see them up top. So I have 7. The way I've lined it up kind of makes it easier. 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 ones here, 11 ones. Okay, so I know I have 11 ones. I can make a note of that to keep track of what I'm doing. All right, now so now that I know I have 11 ones, I can actually count my tens and include those 10 ones as another 10 stick. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I have 6 tens or 60. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 561. So my answer, oops, sorry for the loud noise. My answer to this problem is 561. Now, I'm going to do the same thing using base 10 representations because that's another option. So what I would do for this is instead of getting my base 10 blocks, I would make the number 427, 400, so my 4 boxes, 2 tens, my lines, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as you can see, my 7 ones, I like to put them in a row of 5, and then I keep adding under. This way I can easily say, okay, 5, 7. I can count them easier. So I'm going to represent my other, my other number, 134, in a different color. So as you can see, I have 100 in the number 134, 3 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Okay, so now comes the adding part. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 here. So this is 500. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I know this is a 10, and this is a 1. So I'm going to add this 10 here. So I have 561 is the answer. And if you want me to write the number sentence for you to see that, it would be 500 plus 50 plus the 10 from the ones place plus 1 equals 550, 560, 561. So that is definitely, you can choose whatever makes most sense to you as far as base 10. You can choose to use the blocks, or you can choose to make the pictures. But the following problem you will complete using one of these two strategies. As I said, you will get to choose from all the strategies we learned towards the end of the lesson. Have fun!